Invoice number V8214. Today's date is December 26th, 2023. We are video inspecting a dryer vent located on the second floor of the units. So far we've run into 290s, and so far it appears to be hard pipe.
Does appear to empty on the roof. Are they ran the right way? Yeah.
Looks like it.
No, they're not.
Except for, yep, that one.
Pipes are ran in the incorrect position. The vent appears to be clean. Cannot make it past our second 90. We are approximately 3, 6, 9, 12 feet in so far, and then we cannot make it past the elbow. That concludes the video inspection. Vent appears to be clean and clear so far. Flexible at the back of the unit shall be replaced.